Yo, wagwan. Hear me I say, become a member of the channel, which is going really fast. The channel is going so quick. Become a member, get some exclusive reactions and just some exclusive chat with your boy. You know, by hitting the join button next to the subscribe button. You understand? Yes, become a member of the channel. You know what I mean? Yes. Binds. I'm not gonna bind later.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, Jamaica's gamer here with another reaction? We're here with the man himself, a DJ Palmer, Vybz Kartel, the teacher, the warrior in jail, up to the time with the Lyricist. Now, when I released in 2011, February 2011, so you know, say it's quite a while now, you know. Yeah, so I think this was like just before him go to prison. Him get arrested November, like October, November 2011, right? Let's jump in on and here where the G did have to say them time there and let's see what go on. Let's go. All right, I wanna produced by Russian time. So let's go. So these are the Kansi where him and Russian now link again. These are the Kansi where tell us him used to parody Russian, so you know some lime tell and a lime tell. So from them time you can see it, him and Russian in a picture together.
I mean, the man there, lyrically inclined.
So what them implying? The teacher have to sing line, DJ not in a mind. Cock up your nose for this thing crime of the king.
Yo, you know it's about to go ape. One thing you can't say, yo, you know see a problem, right? So what them implying? The teacher not to sing line, DJ not in a fee mind. Cock up your for this thing crime of the king crime, wicked like.
Time, me wicked like St. James and Kingston and St. Catherine crime. Roll out with the shooters, the kill kind, no boxers, Calvin Klein, no.
Them time the crime rate high. Them time the crime rate buck in a place, brother. So what I'm saying though?
James and Kingston and St. Catherine crime. Roll out with the shooters, the kill kind, no boxers, Calvin Klein, no.
Roll out with the shooters for kill time, no boxers, Calvin Klein. What?
Boy want get me out for reach the big time. Me sleep with the shooters, the kill kind, no boxers, Calvin Klein. No boy want get me out for reach the big time. Me sleep and wake up and them still trying. You know no.
No boy want get me out to reach the big time. Me sleep and wake up and them still trying. So I must say, yo, him are the man. So enough boy want get him out to reach to the big time. Enough man want get him out for take for him spot. But him sleep and wake up and them still trying. Why? Listen why.
No patience, mash up your clock and try to kill time.
But me up.
Still the lyricist, vocabulary physicist. Melody Michelangelo will paint the graphic images. Get a
Still the lyricist, vocabulary physicist. With a Michelangelo will paint the graphics images. What? Listen to the rhyming scheme, bro.
Condom for your ears because the true naturally physicist. Melody Michelangelo will paint the graphic images. Get a condom for your ears because the true shot like syphilis.
Protect your ears. Your ears might catch infection the way the tune bad. That's why I tell you, say, protect your ears. Get a condom for your ears. Because the tune a shot like syphilis. Woo! Bang! Rude.
For the title, hey, give me this. Empire is the wickedest. I'm the baller and the manager. Alex Ferguson and baby this.
Buckland. What the title? Hey, give me this. Empire are the wickedest. Those were the Empire days, bro. Empire days. You must say, yo, what the title? Yo, give me this. My one this. Give it to me. Thank you very much. I will have it. Yes. With ease. Empire and the wickedness.
Stay in front like Genesis. Yes. Who want to penny this?
Me stay in front like Genesis. Now the Bible are the first book that, you know. You see me? Genesis. So I'm tell you, me stay in front like Genesis. Front of the Bible. Genesis there.
Me stay in front like Genesis. Yes. Who want to penny this? Yes. Me find the metaphors where JC them and beginnings.
Yes, who want to penny this? Me find the metaphor them with Jay-Z them and Big Miss. You know them man, the full light in bro. You know said Jay-Z them different them time than the dog.
And char them up like Winterfresh and spit them out like Wrigley's.
Me char them up like Winterfresh and spit them out like Wrigley's. It's easy. It make it look so easy. That's why I'm telling you right here, so. Remember, I'm breaking down this one, you know. I'm breaking down. That's why I keep pausing, because I'm breaking it down. You see me? Continue.
Hot, me touch green grass, make it catch fire. Someone the thugs me see through them like mesh wire.
Bumbo clap, me hot. Me touch green grass, it catch fire. And you know, say it's nearly impossible for like green grass. It's impossible. So me touch green grass till it catch fire. Some boy in the thugs, me sit through them like mesh wire. But I'm take out my glasses because I'm in trouble. Bye. We now pull up now. We are go.
Yes, I am. Them license expire. Me rub them out like me Benz tire. Me meds higher than angel pan heaven squire. Burn them with the hell's fire.
Me rub them out like Benz. Me rub them out like my Benz tire. Me meds I like angel pan. Yo, what?
Me rub them out like me Benz tire. Me meds higher than angel pan heaven squire. Burn them with the hell's fire.
Me meds I like angel pan heaven squire. Burn them with the hellfire. Yo, what?
Prostitute and virgin have in common. Empire, them all coming on my bed to cool the temperature.
Where prostitute and virgin have in common. Empire, them all say empire. The whole world say empire. Prostitute and virgin, I do that. Bumbleclad. What?
Them enkaya, them linger here. Chunky gal, needle and syringe here. Christian gal, ginger beer. Rasta gal, we injure here.
Bumbleclad. Listen to the type of gal them want forward in bed. Listen again.
Prostitute and virgin have in common.
Empire.
Them all coming
hold on. My headphone plug out. Hold on. Me just drop my headphone. Hold on. Plug back in. All right, me good now. Where prostitute and virgin have in common. Empire.
Beg to cool the temperature. Them enkaya, them linger here. Chunky gal, needle and syringe here.
Them anchor here, them linger here. What am I say? Them anchor here.
Them all coming on my bed to cool the temperature. Them enkaya, them linger here.
Them anchor here, them linger here. Them want come on, if them want come on bed to cool the temper here.
Chunky gal, needle and syringe here. Christian gal, ginger beer. Rasta gal, we injure here.
Bumbleclad. Christian gal, ginger beer. Rasta gal, we injure here. Listen to the rhyming scheme when the man a gear, bro. Like,
like the town cable, it no fable, no nights off the round table. Tell Adam and Eve and Cain, say me don't able. Them
tell Adam and Eve and Cain, say me don't able. Adam, Eve, Cain, Abel, all characters, all names from the Bible. So I said, tell Adam and Eve. And before that, him say something about the round table. Missed a part there, but me no want to go back still. I go back still.
no nights off the round table.
The nights at the round table. So we know the round table thing, but let's go, man.
Them and even Cain, so me don't able. Them boy they take me style, get them so brazen.
Them boy they take me style, but them so brazen. Like, oh, on a be a face. Oh, you're so brazen, brother. You're living on my style, but yet still. Yeah, try style me. That's what the G said them time, not me. Let's go.
But rush on me flow like the town cable. It no fable, no nights off the round table.
Rush on me flow like the town cable. Town cable faster than country cable. In flow like town cable. Flow is the name of the company. I don't know that already. Let's go.
The boy them bite me style, get them so craven. Them come be like the big fat gal, them so raven.
Them boy they bite me style, yet them so craven. They come like the big fat girl, yet them so raven. If you don't know that TV series from back in the days, I'm so raven. Only we know what I talk about when them say that.
Me and the Portmore pioneer, me and my woman the for 9 years. Not try that, my dear. But me and you make a nice pair.
Me and the Portmore pioneer, me and my woman there for 9 years. Not try that, my dear, but me and you make a nice pair. No, not do that. Not do that. Them time that I man shorty there, you know. So I'm tell you, say, me and my woman there for 9 years. So, mama, you don't have no chance, yeah, so. So don't try that, but me and you make a nice pair. You can't mash up the thing. Not do that. Bye. Lyrics!
Take my advice, dear. Get it out of your head like lice here. Me loving her forever. If life's fear.
Get that out of your head. Me and you will never be together. Get that out of your head like lice here. Why? Get that out of your head.
Take my advice, dear. Get it out of your head like lice here. Me loving her forever. If life's fear.
Me loving her forever. If life's fear. Like me tell you, said this before him got to prison. This like literally months before him got to prison. You see me? So them time that him and shot it good. So him tell you, say, yo, him loving her forever. If life's fear.
Don't know me Afghanistan. You only know me Times Square. You see me in the Benz changing 5 gear.
You don't know me Afghanistan. You only know me Times Square. Afghanistan where the war zone there. Times Square, you don't know, say, oh, America, that and new. So him a tell you, say, listen, you don't know the grimy side of me, brother. You only know the nice, calm side of me. You don't know the devil, the demon side of me. You see me? Yeah, the killer side of me. That's how him a tell you. So you don't know that side there. You see me? You don't know the Afghan. You only know the Times Square.
I fear. You don't know me Afghanistan. You only know me Times Square. You see me in a Benz, changing 5 gear. I drink street vibes like it's like beer.
Them time there, street vibes are the thing, bro. Where my street vibes back there? Where back there? Chop and back there. See it here? See back there? Check. My headphone gone. Again? Alright. See back there? You see me? So him a tell us say, yo, him in at the Benz. I changing five gears. I drink street vibes.
Only know me Times Square. You see me in a Benz, changing 5 gear. I drink street vibes like it's like beer. From private jet me fly Lear.
I drink street vibes like it's like beer. From private jet me fly. From private jet me fly what?
You see me in a Benz, changing 5 gear. I drink street vibes like it's like beer. From private jet me fly Lear.
Private jet me fly Lear. I think that's the I think that flight name when just called, that airline name when just called, isn't that the airline that go to St. Vincent? Our name Liat. Name Liat, I think it name Liat. So yeah. Let's go.
No Nike here. My skin paint up like bike flare. Back at the easy street. You know the Elm Street, the nightmare.
My skin paint up like bike flare. So I'm going to say I'm a tattoo. Like when you see some pretty bike look. Yes. That's at the Elm Street, you know the nightmare.
No Nike here. My skin paint up like bike flare. Back at the easy street. You know the Elm Street, the nightmare. The days when me used to take the bus and can't find fear.
I'm tell you about the long time days now, where before he was Cartel. Before he was Vybz Kartel. You see me? The tough days, the rough days. I'm tell you about it as now.
Slug off with the virus, me have spyware. The way my brain fertile, America won't invade and drill for oil here.
The way my brain fertile, America want to drill for oil here. So him tell us say, yo, scientists from America want him brain for study, for find out how him do it, how him do this. You see me? Because him still a lyricist, vocabulary physicist. What?
They can't see. Them boy they no fancy. Them a Nancy. Me lyrics wear them out like a Yancy.
Big up Kansi. Hey Kansi. Them boy no fancy. Them a Nancy. Me lyrics wear them out just like a Ganzi. Ganzi t-shirt. Wear them out. Yes, get it? Let's go. Carry on.
I'm shaming at the crowd and every man see. Them fans give them thumbs down. Me a thugs and them a Bugs Bunny.
Them fans give them thumbs down. Me a thugs and them a Bugs Bunny.
Low like the turntable, it don't table. No nights off the round table. Tell all I'm even can, so me don't able. Them.
Once again, him start the chorus again like this, cause you don't know say the chorus after day night.
Want to take me style, get them so brazen.
Hey, Russian!
Me flow like the turntable, it no fable. No nights off the round table.
Is Russian and Cartel? I gonna drop a project soon. Probably next year, hopefully. Project for drop, cause you know say. When the two of them link up a problem. Yeah.
The boy them bite me style, get them so craven. Them coming like the big fat gal, them so raven.
Yeah, the laughter.
Russian, if you know this is not a true word song to some queers on them gangs.
Russian. Him a tell us I no true word song, brother. This is not a true word song to some queers and them gangs. At that time, who have gangs in a dance hall, who have... We all know, but I ain't gonna go in there. I ain't gonna do it.
Them build some mediocre counteraction songs. No, it's just a reminder to the fans.
Yeah, so this is not something for them go build some little mediocre counteraction song. No. This is just something for the fans them. Yes, that's what I'm gonna tell you.
To the one order to the clans. That Vybz Kartel can still drop these lyrical bombs.
To the one order to the clans. So I must say, this is something to my fans, to the one order to the clans, that Vybz Kartel still can drop these lyrical bombs. Vybz Kartel is still the G, still the man.
My flow like the turntable.
Yeah. Yo, guys, so that was Vybz Kartel. So, hold on, my bro. So yeah, that was the teacher, Lyricist. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section about one day, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, rock on earth.